Every piece of advice about making money on YouTube tells you the same thing. Get more views, grow your subscribers, and the AdSense money, well, it's gonna follow. Isn't that the dream? Well, YouTube built an entire system designed to make you believe that views are the ultimate goal. And for most creators, that belief is exactly why they never make real money, and they get frustrated. I have made over $100,000 plus from this very YouTube channel with under 40,000 subscribers. And the way I did it has nothing to do with AdSense. Stay with me, I'm gonna explain everything. Let me show you what YouTube actually pays. In the time it took me to build this channel to just under 40,000 subscribers, we made between $10,000 and $12,000 in a year from AdSense. And that sounds pretty decent, which it is pretty cool, until you realize that number actually fluctuates constantly based on views, seasonality, and the niche that you're in. One bad month of views and your income drops in half. One algorithm change and it disappears entirely. YouTube designed AdSense to keep creators focused on the platform, and it's brilliant because now you're posting more, you're chasing trends, you're optimizing for views. Because the more content you create, the more ad inventory YouTube has to sell. Like I said, it's a brilliant business model. But AdSense is not a business. It's a hamster wheel that YouTube built to keep you running. And most creators are so focused on the wheel that they never look up to see what is actually really possible. Here's the big shift that changed everything for us. We stopped trying to win YouTube's game and started using YouTube as a tool to win our own. YouTube's job is reach, get you attention. That's it. It puts your content in front of people who have never heard of you before, which is amazing. And if those people resonate with you of what you're saying, they start to know you, like you, and trust you. We call that KLT, know, like, and trust. And it's the foundation of every dollar we have made beyond AdSense. YouTube gets people in the top of that funnel, but the money comes from what happens after they find you. The moment we understood that YouTube was a lead generation tool, not a revenue source, everything changed. We stopped chasing views and started building an audience of people who actually wanted to work with us. And that audience, even at under 40,000 subscribers, generated over $100,000 through coaching, courses, and programs built around the value we were giving away here on this free channel. Now, here's the part most creators get wrong. If you're going to use YouTube as a tool for reach, you have to actually get the reach. And reach on YouTube comes down to one thing above everything else. Whether cold audiences click your title when YouTube tests your video on strangers. YouTube measures this with something called your click-through rate, CTR. It is simply the percentage of people who see your video and actually click on it. And specifically, your suggested click-through rate is what tells YouTube whether to push your video to new people who have never heard of you before. Or it's going to tell them to pull back and leave it to only people that are your subscribers or people that know you. Every single video we post is designed to pass that cold audience test first. The title has to create enough fear or curiosity that a complete stranger stops scrolling before they even know who we are. That is the engine that drives everything else. No clicks from strangers means no new audience. No new audience means no new customers. The title is where it all starts. And honestly, it took us a long time to figure out the formulas that consistently work. And we've been studying these now for years, not just with this channel, but other channels that we have built in the past. And what we've done now is we've created formulas that work. And we put those into a swipe file. And I'd like to give you 10 of our top outlier title hooks, and you can try them. You can plug them into your niche. I've actually created templates where you can do this. If you'd like to get a copy of that, just comment hooks down below and I'll send it to you. These are so important because once you crack the reach problem, everything else we are about to talk about actually becomes possible. That is what builds the audience that eventually buys from you. So here's exactly how we generated over $100,000 plus from a channel with just under 40,000 subscribers. So the very first thing is that we're giving value before asking for anything in return. Every video we made was designed to solve a real problem for an audience completely free. No half answers, no withholding information to force people into a paid product. Full value every single time, every single video. And that builds the trust side of know, like, and trust faster than anything else. When your audience feels like you have genuinely helped them, they're gonna come back. They're gonna subscribe without even you asking them to subscribe. And then when they come back enough times, they start seeing you as the person who can help them go deeper. All right, number 2. The second thing is building a community around the content. YouTube, they get people to the door, but a community keeps them close enough to eventually become customers. We've built a space where our audience could connect with each other and with us beyond just the videos. The relationship is what converts viewers into buyers. All right, the third thing, and that is creating offers that solve one problem or the next problem. Once your audience trusts you, they naturally want more. We've built coaching programs and courses that took people further than the free content could. There's always going to be people that want your help a little bit deeper and they want you to connect all the dots. It's just the way it is. I mean, that's what I've done. I get free content just like you do for certain things that I'm interested in. And then there's someone that I buy a course from or I get coaching. Why? Because I want them to take me by the hand and walk me through it or make it quicker. But let me be clear. This isn't replacing the free content. It's just extending it. The free content is designed to get them results because that makes them a raving fan. The paid offers get them bigger results faster. That's the model. YouTube drives reach, value builds trust, and trust creates customers. Now, if we were to listen to YouTube, we would be saying, well, they told us that our channel was too small to matter. You need a lot of views. No, that's not the case. We use YouTube to build something it never intended us to build. A real freaking business with real customers who found us because of the platform that was supposed to limit us. The algorithm is not your enemy if you stop trying to beat it and start using it for what it's actually good at. Getting your content in front of strangers who need what you have. The algorithm is not your enemy if you stop trying to beat it and start using it for what it's actually good at. Getting your content in front of strangers who need what you have. Now, I know you're probably asking, okay, well, Scott, you talk about getting your content in front of strangers. How the heck do you do it? Well, you're in luck because I recorded a video right here that shows you exactly how to create content specifically to reach your cold audience. Strangers, watch that video next, and I'll see you there.